What we have here is a perfect fry unit, countertop. We have the parts that are included in this. We have our front door with 2 latches that opens up like this, that exposes the inside. We have our basket. We have our oil vat with our heating element. Now, what we have here, I have another piece that's outside so we don't have to take it all out. We have your oil vat here. Okay, we have our heating element. So what we want to do is we want to fill the oil only to the cold line. Not the hot line, only to the cold, because oil expands and it'll raise up the hot. What we have here is our shovel. The product goes in through the lid into the hopper. The shovel basically spits it out into the basket. Then the basket lowers into the oil and eventually gets disposed of from the bottom flap. Okay? So the operation of the unit, we have our electronic module here. This would be our power button. We would turn it on. What we have here is our controls. We have our preset, cancel, start, and our individual digits. When you start up your machine, it's going to require you to punch in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, start. We have activated the computer now. You have approximately 90 days to go online to the website of Perfect Fry and put in your warranty code. You will do that online. They will give you a new 6-digit code to punch in, and that'll be your permanent code. You do not have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 start after that ever again. But you must do it within 90 days or the computer will shut down after that until you get that permanent code in. So this takes approximately 15 to 20 minutes to heat up to 350 degrees, and then we can start making some product. So we'll wait for it to heat up and then we'll come back to it. So our temperature has reached its peak point. We open the lid. We have a batch here of par-cooked frozen fries. That's the majority of the fries out in the market right now. So we'll dump it into the hopper. We'll close the lid. And what we have here, we're on manual now. But we already have our French fries set at 3 minutes. So all we do is hit our preset. We hit number 1, which is our preset. And it's going to load it automatically into the oil. It's going to take 3 minutes. At the end of 3 minutes, it's going to automatically dump the product out into our container. So we'll come back to this when it's almost ready. So now it's almost down to the countdown. The product is unloading. The basket is sitting there for approximately 15 seconds so the excess oil will drain. We can adjust that time to any time we want, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15, so on. So now, after the 15-second mark of draining the excess oil, the product comes out, and there you have it. We put it in our bowl. We season our product. And we present it. Okay? So now we're going to do something else. What we have chicken fingers. This product is uncooked. So when it comes to uncooked product, it's trial and error on your behalf so you can see exactly what times you should put down. So we'll put our product into the hopper. We will close our lid. Now we're going to go to manual, because we want to say maybe 6 minutes because it's raw product and it's chicken. We want it to cook all the way through. Press start. It's loading the product into the shovel. That's going to dump it into the basket, which goes into the oil. So So after the 6-minute mark, we'll check our product. When it gets dumped out, we'll cut the chicken open and see if it's ready. Right now the product is almost down to its final countdown. So as we can see, it's unloading. So it's going to sit up in the basket approximately 15 seconds to drain the excess oil, and the product will dispense out of the bottom flap. So we have our chicken fingers here. We're going to take one to our cutting board and cut it to see if it's cooked all the way through. As we can see, there is no pink, so that is good. This is a good time for uncooked chicken fingers. We serve it on our platter, add our condiment, and there's our product. Okay.